Hello everyone, welcome to another video from Your Tech Today. So today we have the Xiaomi Mi Lite enhanced version. It is newly launched and it is the upgrade to the old Mi Lite. So I will tell you all the differences. So let's open it up. It's available for about 250 rupees and they take 50 rupees shipping here in India to Bangalore, from Bangalore. I don't know why, just in the city. So this is what the Mi Lite enhanced looks like. So it has more number of LEDs, it's longer, it's brighter, they say almost 2 times brighter, and also it has a button over here which has modes. You can take it from low to highest brightness by this button. You cannot switch it off, it will always be on, but at the lowest setting it is very dim, so you really don't have to worry about it. So let me plug it into a Xiaomi power bank, and it has switched on. So it's hard for me to show you the brightness because I need lights to shoot this video. So you can see, now I will show you the various modes. So this is the lowest. So you can see the LEDs are lit. And if any of you are interested, you can count the number of LEDs in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, maybe 10 or 11 LEDs are there. So let me increase the brightness. The second setting, third, fourth, fifth. This is the brightest, and then it goes back to the first one. So let me tell you guys, like, it is really bright compared to the old one, and also it has this nice color temperature which even the old Mi Lite had. And if you buy the cheap Chinese knockoffs, they are pure white, but this has that warm daylight color, I would say. So this is nice for that warm feeling in the room. So usually I used it in my living room just as a single source. So I ran it off this, and I ran it for 2.5 hours. It does heat up a little bit, but in 2.5 hours it used 1000 milliamps of current, or you can say 1 amp. And this is a 10,400 mAh, but the actual capacity at 5.2 volts is lesser, so it will run, you can calculate how many hours it will run, maybe about 20 hours or little less than that. So it's a good light. Let me just show you and compare it to the old one. I have this power meter over here. It will show us the consumption. Let me reset it. So I connect the Mi Lite over here. So this one switches on. Okay, we click the old one. So you guys can sort of see the difference. The color of the light is exactly the same. Only thing is the new one is brighter. So I think in this shot you can see, even with all the studio lights on, which I have plenty, and still you can see the throw of the light. The old one is much smaller area, which is bright, and the new one is much larger area. And in real life it is pretty bright for what it does, and it uses about you can say 5 volts and about 440 milliamps of current. So it's about 2.5 watts. So earlier one was I think 1.5 watts or something. You can watch my video which I did on this to get the actual number, or we'll just check it over here. Yeah, so this is 2700 milliamps. So almost half of what it uses, but still this is much more efficient, and I think the LEDs also used are much better in this, but it does heat up more than this one because obviously there are more number of LEDs. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. You can buy it on mi.com. I'll leave a link in the description, and if you liked the video, please like it. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, bye bye.